The state court guilty pleas that Terrence and Feronne entered into, it's the crux of their case.
Yeah, I think you can understand, man, that there are some people who just will never understand why someone would plead guilty to something they didn't do.
Well, when the lawyer came back and was talking to me, he was basically telling me that, you know, even though they know that it may not have been y'all that did it, they're going to make somebody wear this cape, and it's going to be y'all. You're going to get the death penalty. Him and the prosecutor, that's when they came up with talking about us pleading guilty to involuntary manslaughter. I'm like, man, I'm not going to plead guilty to something that I didn't do. I said, man, that's crazy. You trying to tell me that I got to go to jail? I got to go to prison for something that I didn't do? I got to plead to something I didn't do? I said, man, that's crazy.
My family had ran out of money, and then people was talking about giving us the death penalty. When our attorneys came to us and said that this was the best deal, what else was I supposed to do in order to stay alive?
You know, eventually my dad was like, well, man, listen, you know, he just looked at me and he was like, man, you know, you may just have to do this, man, to save your life. And you might just have to listen to the lawyer because the lawyer know more than what we know. You know, end up pleading guilty was the only way to end up saving our life.
It is not uncommon for people who don't have the voices or resources to plead guilty to things that they are innocent of to save themselves.
As I recall, nobody ever really thought that they were guilty of murder.